Hello. So I wanted to talk about this 5-day foundational workshop which is being offered by Coach Ashish Pandey. This has been very interesting because it changed my whole schedule. I started waking up really early in the morning, and I was never an early riser, but it just changed my whole schedule, my outlook towards life. I started owning the day, and it I was never lacking time. The course has been designed in a very different manner, and it focuses on the daily learnings, regular debriefs in the night, listening to the podcasts. So these are rituals that we have to maintain as a part of doing the course every day, and it really helps in understanding the concepts better. If you have any queries, you come up with the queries. The coach is very willingly he would explain, and he would answer the queries, and it was totally a very fulfilling experience, and everyone, I would suggest, must take up this course to understand what is unknown and to know what we are missing out in life, because it is ultimately the mantra for success. Thank you.